In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to input data to your chart in Canva. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. Go ahead and open your Canva design where you want to add a chart. This could be a presentation slide, a report, or even a social media graphic. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand side of the Canva editor. You'll see a vertical menu with different options like templates, uploads, and more. From that list, click on the option labeled Elements. When you open the Elements panel, you'll see a lot of different graphics, shapes, and icons. To quickly find what we need, move to the search bar at the top of the Elements panel and type the word chart. This tells Canva you're specifically looking for chart elements instead of general graphics. After you type in chart, Canva will display different chart styles you can choose from. These might include bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and more. Take a moment to scroll through and decide which one best fits the data you want to show. For example, use a bar chart to compare categories, or a line chart to show change over time. When you've found the chart style you like, click on it once. Canva will automatically insert that chart into your design workspace, usually in the center of the canvas. From here, you can resize it by dragging the corners, and you can drag it to position it where you want on the page. Make sure it's big enough so your data will be clear and easy to read. Now that your chart is selected on the canvas, look again to the left side of your screen. You should see a panel appear that's specific to charts. This is where Canva lets you control the data behind the chart. If you don't see it right away, make sure your chart is clicked and active. In this left panel, you'll see a table layout with columns and rows. This is where you input your data. Click into the cells and start typing your values, just like you would in a simple spreadsheet. Replace any sample labels and numbers with your own categories and data points. As you type, notice that the chart on your canvas updates automatically to reflect the new information. Continue adjusting your values until the chart matches the data you want to present. Once you're done, you've successfully input data into your Canva chart, and it's ready